someone who creates, watches, and sees a ton of content on his screen every single day, I decided to snatch up this deal for Amazon Prime Day. It's a widescreen Samsung monitor. In this video, you're gonna see me unbox it and set it up, and we're gonna do a quick little review. So here is my, I assume it's over 12 years old by now, maybe 10, I don't know, but it has done amazing. I think the resolution on this is either 1440 or 2K. I think it's 2K. So it did amazing. Thank you for your service. I'm still gonna use it in one other place. I have like a mini office, so I'm not gonna throw it out, but it's time for an upgrade in the main office. Hold up, we gotta do this. Oh yeah. Nice. So I've been using the S50GC for a couple of days and it's pretty awesome. I will say that it's missing one thing, but this isn't the monitor itself. It's basically the base, the stand, where the LG monitor had like this really customizable stand where I can bring it up, I can tilt it. So the issue here is, look at my setup. So I have my MacBook here and I have the monitor here. With the LG, I could have the monitor right above the MacBook screen, but this one I can't because the base doesn't go up, okay? So I can always switch the base. I'm gonna look at that. Maybe I could even take it from that monitor. I don't know, I'm gonna see if that's doable, but we'll see. That's like the only negative that I had with this monitor so far. Other than that, I mean, it's awesome. You can see the 4K. It's a huge difference having a 2K versus a 4K monitor. I'm almost like low-key embarrassed that it took me so long to get a 4K monitor, but I'm happy I got it now. Once I fix the base situation, is gonna be perfect. One day when I can go all out with my setup, my dream is to have like a warehouse studio slash fitness center, which is random, but that would be great for like motivate content. That's my dream. Somewhere in the bumfuck middle of nowhere, a huge warehouse with a content studio and like a place to do stuff. I would love to have a setup where it's like, you know, the biggest screen possible, curved. I think right now I was looking at a 49-inch monitor, which would take up a lot of my desk. So that's why I didn't get it. So I opted in for the budget version, which is more than good enough for what I need. But when I have my dream setup, I'm going to go all out. It's going to be crazy. I would love to have a projector screen hanging down with massive theater-like speakers, because once I grow everything I'm growing, I would love to like really focus on the production value of everything. Right now, I'm forced to be doing, you know, very UGC stuff, vlog stuff, which I will keep on doing that, but when I have a bigger team, I would absolutely love to go crazy with the production value for every single brand that I'm involved in. Just because originally that's what I wanted. I wanted to create YouTube videos, and somewhere along the line, I got sucked into businesses and I forgot to do YouTube because I just got so busy. But I know the importance of YouTube and social media. So if I can connect the two worlds of business and creativity, I'll be very happy. It's just I feel like I gotta learn the business end of everything first to be very productive with the creative stuff, because it's very easy to be a starving artist and forget to make money, right? So I want to make sure that whatever entity I own and whatever brand business I build first makes money, it's productive, and then I want to bring in the creative aspect of it, which some people might disagree with me, but as someone who's grown up with not a lot of money, I do think money is important. Money can buy a lot of peace for you, and it can definitely get rid of a lot of problems. So money, priority, build a great foundation, but when the time is right, don't forget about having fun with it and being creative. So yeah, that's a little too deep for a monitor review, but anyway, here are the stats. So it's basically a 34-inch monitor, has 100 hertz, 5 millisecond response rate, which is great for gaming. It has HDR if you want to use that, AMD FreeSync, an eye care option, and a borderless design. So it's from 2023. So it's not super new. It's a 3-year-old monitor, but hey, it's pretty fire. I'm not having any issues with it. As you can see, I still like might want to use the MacBook for previewing the videos and then use this to actually edit the timeline. So I have a great amount of space to deal with, you know, layers and everything else. So overall, it's great. I do recommend it, especially if you're looking for a budget monitor that gets the job done. This is perfect. If you're like me and, you know, you'd like to have your monitor above your laptop, you might need a better base. So just buy that when you buy the monitor. I got it for a great deal for like 210 bucks during Prime Day. Usually it's 330, but I'm pretty sure they do sales on these probably all the time since it's not a brand new monitor. So yeah, I was looking for this. There were like 2 or 3 decent videos, but other than that, there wasn't much about it. So I hope this helps you make the decision if you're looking for a good enough monitor. And let me know in the comments below if you're gonna get it or what monitor could potentially be better, or if you have any recommendations. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.